guys, it's your boy I'm Connor here. Once again, welcome to another video of mine. Today is another keycap reveal. As a gentle reminder, we are coming down to the last ends of my keycap reveal. Unfortunately, my budget is not it's out of the budget now. But if you'd like to see more, obviously please show your support and like and subscribe to all these videos, and maybe we can continue doing this. But since we completed this sort of theme, I kind of let my intrusive thoughts kind of get to me, and I was going for this random, cool, spooky stuff. And one of those keycaps is this. Voila. I don't know if you can see that properly. Oh gosh, it's such an interesting, given that this is metal, it is quite an interesting bunch. And to give you a little bit of a backstory on this, there is no backstory. These are quite heavy keycaps, and they're actually quite cut clean. And I got two of these not on purpose. I originally ordered the smiling hat. However, I got shipped this one, which it took me time to figure out what exactly I got, because it was definitely not the one I ordered, but I think this is like a reference to what's that horror movie called? Purge? Like, I thought initially it was Purge, and then wait a minute, is this like the Marshmallow DJ kind of guy hat or whatever it is? Don't come at me, I don't listen to that kind of music often, alright? Like, I'm not so I only recognize it from like middle school, like, okay, that's what that X and smiles are. Initially I just wanted the hat because it looked creepy. I already have a smiling hat keycap on my keyboard, but I thought this was a little bit more angelic, a little bit different. And not only that, these two guys are glow in the dark. So I'm going to pop this over and see if I could get some of the light here from this resource here. I just feel the sun, feel the light. And then I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to show you guys how that looks, if I can. Okay. This is a terrible attempt, but you can kind of already see it, like it's already gleaming out there, you know? It's already doing that, which is pretty cool. But anyways, if you like these keycaps and this video, please share down below. Thank you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know where I'm going to put these guys because they're clearly very unique, but I think they will go very well against the whole spooky nature of things. Oh my god, I wasn't recording.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?